Graphenizer is empowered with graphene, a miracle material of tomorrow's world. It is harder than diamond and 200 times stronger than steel. It cools down the overheat instantly as it is a heat conductor and more flexible than rubber. Graphenizer is formulated in Dubai by FISIC, a research and development company which is pushing the boundaries of innovation in the fields of artificial intelligence to smart materials.
बहुत काला निकला जी, गड्ढे में भिड़ गया पानी। इतना जमा ले कितने दिन से।
Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. It is trending top #1 in Google. Search as Graphenizer, first of its kind in the world. For dealers and distributors, visit www.graphenizer.com. Call or WhatsApp